Experienced photographers know the right external camera flash can be a game changer when shooting. They're also a must for studio shooting, as the best camera flashes can evenly diffuse light, removing unwanted shadows to create a beautiful, bright subject. While they're not necessarily essential for casual photographers, camera flashes provide some advantages. A good flash can reduce red eye when taking portraits and extend your camera's battery life, since you won't be dependent on your camera's flash for lighting. If you're in the market for a new flash or want to try one out for the first time, here are the best camera flashes currently.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Canon Speedlight 430EX3 RT Flash. Best overall. If you're in the market for a professional grade flash, one of the best is the Canon Speedlight 430EX3R. Although it commands a premium price, Canon photographers are rewarded with a quality flash for versatile shooting in just about any environment. With an on-screen menu, setting up your controls and taking the perfect shot is easy. The Speedlight 430EX gives users a compact portable product that can cover a range between 24 and 105 mm, with a maximum guide number of 141 feet 43 meters at ISO 100, and a quick recycling time. Thanks to radio transmission, you can also remotely control it to use as an off-camera flash. The Speedlight 430EX is a smaller, more lightweight, and portable version of Canon Speedlight 600EX2 RT. If you don't need such a large range, you might find that the 430EX is more than enough for your needs. It's a durable, reliable product that can swivel, tilt, and be adjusted, so you set up the ideal lighting conditions. This flash bounces light evenly, creating beautiful light for portraiture. However, it's an excellent choice for many types of photography. With a higher price point, this flash is designed to appeal to professionals. Number 2. Nikon SB-5000 Speedlight Flash. Best flash for Nikon DSLR. The brand's SB-5000 Speedlight Flash is a top option for Nikon users. This flash is quite an investment, so it's probably not suited for beginners. Experienced photographers will find it a solid wireless flash for indoor and outdoor use. It's compatible with most modern Nikon DSLRs. While it may not have the highest guide number, it's still effective, thanks to ITTL flash control. ITTL stands for Intelligent Through the Lens Metering, and means the flash will automatically communicate with the camera and work out the proper lighting. This is an excellent feature at events or when shooting in varying conditions, as the setup work is done for you. We also like the SB-700's flexibility, with 360-degree rotation and 90-degree tilting. It makes the flash ideal for both portrait and landscape shots, since you can easily position it just as needed. Combined with a great recycling time and durable, high-quality build, the SB-700 is the perfect addition to your camera bag if you shoot with night. Number 3. YONGNUO YN560 IV Wireless Flash Speedlight Master. Best budget flash for all. The YONGNUO YN560 Texas is worth checking out if you plan to shoot with manual controls. This solid flash is compatible with most DSLRs and can be found for less than $70. It includes built-in wireless and can also be used as a transmitter, controlling up to 3 lighting devices. It's fast, versatile, and lightweight but still rugged, so it offers good value for money in terms of longevity. Once you master the controls, some of the buttons aren't very intuitive. It's easy to use. If this flash has caught your eye, note that it shoots only manually, as it doesn't offer TTL. This makes it great for shoots with consistent lighting, such as studio or real estate shots, but it might not be great for events or travel. However, as long as the manual mode is what you need, you'll find the YN560 Texas to be a powerful flash, great for beginners or. Number 4. Nikon SB-5000. Best features. Looking for one of the best camera flashes money can buy? If you're willing to open your wallet, the Nikon SB-500 has an imposing list of features. One of its best is adding a cooling system which Nikon claims allows users to fire off up to 100 flashes in a single burst, reducing downtime. Photographers also use the SB-500's radio-controlled advanced wireless lighting system, making it easy to shoot with multiple devices even in challenging conditions. This flash can tilt from -7 to 90 degrees and covers a zoom span of 24 to 200 mm, giving you versatility. The SB-500 came onto the market after Nikon discontinued one of its most popular flashes, the SB-910, making the SB-500 the first Nikon flash with advanced wireless technology. However, many users report that the SB-500's menu system is overly complex, so learning its acronyms and controls may take some time. But once you've wrapped your head around the flash's functionalities, experienced photographers will surely appreciate. Number 5. Sony HVL-F32M Best Flash for Sony DSLR. The Sony HVL-F32M is a multi-interface flash, making it easy to use with various Sony options from DSLRs to the Alpha line. It's a powerful flash packed with plenty of features, all in a dust and moisture-resistant build. A wireless remote control is included, and the compact, lightweight flash offers both manual and TTL modes. A high-speed shutter synchronization and advanced distance integration tech automatically adjusts the flash response depending on how far away the subject is. The LCD is small and unassuming, but it does contain most of the info you'll want in an external flash unit. You can tilt the flash from -8 to 90 degrees with a 270-degree side-to-side swivel for versatile control and unique shadow bouncing techniques. While the HVL-F32M's brightness isn't as high as Nikon or Canon options, you can't beat a Sony-branded accessory that pairs